Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. So if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we upload a new video. Today we have something very fun and girly for you. Today we are upcycling 2 perfume boxes and an eyeglass box. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. We are going to give you a quick little DIY on the bunches of roses that we purchased at the Dollar Tree. They are a little flimsy, so what we're going to do is apply a little bit of the glue inside of the rose. What applying the glue does is just gives it more of that real rose look along with the quality. We do apologize for the video footage loss, but don't be alarmed. We do have 2 other projects that we are doing, so we will show you how to apply the knobs. We do have several bow videos on this channel and we will link it below, just so if you want to go check it out and know how to make the bows, you can do so. Now on to the second project. This is a Chanel glass case and we are going to make good use of it. If you have any type of box where you have your jewelry in it, you can take it and make it out of something really girly and something really cute and simple. Off camera, we glued the Chanel card onto the box. We used a permanent Gorilla Glue, but you can use any type of permanent glue of your choice. We used a glue, because the glue gun at this point, it will just kind of crease with like lumps underneath. And if you want it to be permanent, then you want to use a permanent glue.